What's up? It's your girl Asia Mone't. So today we back with another client. Period. I'm about to start recording everybody that come up in here. Period. So today we'll be doing passion twist, the crochet method. I will be using rubber bands. I did ask her if she wants to use rubber bands or if she want me to plait. And she said she didn't care either way. So rubber bands it was, because honey, when you do the crochet rubber band method, like your hair ain't going nowhere. Period. And then I did the method where I put the hair on top and braided the beginning of the twist, and then I twisted. So yeah, I will slow it down for you guys and explain further into the video. But while you're here right now, okay, like, comment, and definitely subscribe and turn on your post notification bell, because honey, I'll be uploading just about every day. So y'all just stay tuned for that. Enjoy the vid, and I'll be back further into the video to explain step by step what I'm doing.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, you can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher girl, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here.
So now I'm going to show you guys step by step what I do. First of all, you're going to get the shine and jam and work it into your part and make sure it's very smooth, and then you get your rubber band and then you tie it around about 3 to 4 times. You don't want it too tight since we will be crocheting into the rubber band or on top of it. I just do this all around her hair because I part out my sections first, and the shine and jam just holds and molds my part, so it's super easy just to go back around and rubber band everything and then crochet everything in all at once. It just makes the process go by super fast. Now I'm on her edges. You want to be really careful with people's edges. I mold her edges with edge fixer, and it just molded her edges right into place. They did not move, honey, and I only put the rubber band around like 2 to 3 times because I don't want a lot of tension on her edges. Now I was going in like 2 pieces at a time and just separating, but I decided to do the whole bundle at one time. That just made more sense and it was quicker. I took out 1 piece of the crochet hair and I went straight across into the hair and just crocheted 1 piece, and I did that throughout the whole entire row, and it just saves so much time when you do it all at once. So now I'm taking in this bundle and I'm just stretching it out, pulling it apart, and just making it fluffier. You can also do this with spring twist hair. This hair was kind of like not the texture of spring twist hair or wave hair at all, but yeah, we still worked with it. So, and now I'm taking 2 pieces, putting it on top, and just loop it around like I'm about to start a box braid, which I am, because I braided the roots first about 4 to 5 times down, and then I split the hair into half, including her hair in half. Sorry. And then I start twisting while I'm twisting. Look at my hands right here. You'll see they are both twisting while I twist them into each other. And you also want to put the clamp onto the root when you start twisting, because as you twist, it does make the root a little tighter, so you don't want that much tension on their hair. And yeah, it just twists like that all the way down, and apply your product to her hair. And you want to comb her hair into the weave so it just meshes together well. And add your shine down while you're twisting down, just so you can get a seamless look. And when you get past your client's hair, you can just start twisting as normal, but you want to make sure you're twisting taut and uniformly. You want like the 2 pieces to be even on each side all the way down. I just wanna get away,